Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into implementing toast notification using Notice Stack in a React application. Basically, toast notifications are a great way to provide feedback to users. So let's get started. So first we have to install Notice Stack in our React application. So go to the browser and type Notice Stack and copy this npm install Notice Stack and open your React project. So this is my React project. Open a terminal and install it. Now that we have installed Notice Stack, let's import it into our component in your component file. So add the following imports like import snack bar provider from Notice Stack. Next, wrap your component with snack bar provider at the top level of your component tree. Now let us see how easy it is to show a basic post notification inside your component. So this is my React project, and when I click on this show notification button, then a toast will pop up. So to do that, let's implement. So when I click on this show notification, so I have to write a on-click event. So here on click, I make a function handle click. Now I have to implement this function. You can use the use snack bar hook to get access to enqueue snack bar function. Now we have to write here enqueue snack bar, and inside that write your comments. So this is the test notification. Now let's see is it working or not. So when I click on that show notification, so that it is working. This is the toast notification. Okay, now you can do many things from it. Now you can also customize this post by passing variant, positions, appearance and durations. So first let us start with the success variant. So we have to pass here object like variant, and you can see that there are different types of variant like default, error, info, success, warning. So let us use success. Now save it and paste it again. So you can see that this is the success variant. Similarly, if you want to use warning, okay, this is the warning variant. You can also change the position of the post by passing anchor origin, and here you have to type vertical. So I want it to at the top of the page, so right top here, and horizontal position is suppose right. Okay, so let us see is it working or not. Okay, now it is working. So this is the Notice Stack, and this is how you implement Notice Stack in your React project. Feel free to experiment with different options to suit your application needs. That is it for today's tutorial on implementing Notice Tag toast notification in a React application. Thank you.